Hello, my beautiful friends. I just thought I'd come in here and ask, are any other creators, the ones that are doing like the illuminating work, the chosen one work, the, luminaries, the way showers, the ones that are getting all the downloads, any of y'all feeling like maybe you're too powerful and YouTube's not letting you post your shit? It may be because I'm cussing too much. I'm a little perturbed. Just wondering if it's happening to anybody else. Let me know. Okay. Love you. Bye.